Hello guys, welcome to another episode with your boy Phrankleen. Right, if this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. If you like what I'm about, show your love, look around the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the little bell button so you can get up to date, content from my channel. All right, so also you can click the tab on the home page and look through my playlist. I've got over 100 plus food recipes and also a recently started new segment called Say It Like It Is. I've got about 17 or 19, roughly 19 episodes at the time of filming this, okay? Interesting topics that contribute positively to our respective lives. Right, today I'm gonna read you a poem. I wrote this last year called You. It's titled You. Very short poem. Think you, do you, be you, compete with you, love you. Right. The premise of that poem is, do you live that life whereby you are constantly looking for people's validation? You've got this beautiful ideas, you've got this vision, you've got this plan to execute an idea, and you're worried about people's opinion. You're worried about what people are going to say. You're worried about people's perception of you. You're worried about how they feel about you. And these are the usual known factors that pretty much limit people from achieving their goals. So the question is, why are you doing this to yourself? Okay, there's only one version of you, and that's you. Looking at me right now, there's only one version of Phrankleen. Okay, I might have a sibling that looks like me, but that person is not Phrankleen. There's a version of you. You have this beautiful budding ideas, this amazing dream and goals. A lot of people wither away like autumn leaves and worrying about the world, expecting validation. You might have a beautiful business idea, and then what you find is you drop these ideas in the hands of people, expecting them to embrace it, expecting them to rubber stamp your vision, but they don't, they won't, they never will. In fact, the fact that you open your mouth to talk about something so beautiful, something so amazing, poses instantaneous threats. It doesn't matter who that person is. It may even be your wife, it may be your husband, it may be your mom, it may be your dad, it may be your sibling, right? That's just, unfortunately, is the way life is orchestrated. So when I was sat at home last year, I think in February last year, 2018, and I was just having a quiet moment with myself, and I came up with this poem: think you, do you, be you, compete with you, love you. Laser target your focus on you, okay? You are the best version of you. Find a way to improve yourself constantly on a daily basis, and compete with you means it gives you the avenue, gives you the room to constantly challenge the current you and constantly seek the best version of you, okay? That's it pretty much. It also applies to me. Life is a roller coaster. As you know, it's not a bed of roses. I wish you well in your endeavors, and I hope you achieve your goals and dream. To hell with what people think about you. To hell with opinions. As long as you're not committing a crime, you're not endangering anybody's lives, you're not infringing on anybody's human rights, who cares what they think? It's your boy Phrankleen. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love. Bye now.